Let's go surfing now. Everybody's gonna have to learn how, because we're gonna get drowned out to death. Look at it happen to my shit comes washing out from underneath the couch. This fucking fork got washed out from under the couch. How does that happen? The lid come out. Look at this shit. Look how deep that shit is, eh? Concrete, the edges of the walls, both sides, in and out, because this happened before. Because this rains all the fucking time around this shithole. They're doing it to us on purpose. They're fucking America's doing this stuff. This is the hottest time of our year. This is the driest, hottest time of our summer. What summer? We just get rain all the time, suddenly. What's going on out here? Oh, looky. We've got our own river. What should I name this one? Oh, what about that one and that one? Got to have names on those two. Yeah. Concrete. See the concrete I put on the walls? I did that both sides, all the way around everything, and it still came through. It handles the rain, but not rain like this. This has come up even further up higher, the outside. Look at this fucking shit. Fuck. Man, my little area, my little area's got water. Oh hell no! Yep, it's been like this for about 2 hours now. Hasn't even slowed down. Just constant. It speeds up, it doesn't slow down. This is as slow as it gets. Look at the flooding over there. We're on a slight hill too. There's a slight, what do they call it? Grade? Yeah. Ooh, you're bastard. Water land on my face. Fuck. Now I'm going to have a wet bedroom. I'm going to have to try to get over the sickness they gave us with the water. Water causes sickness. It's not good for you. You only drink it, swim in it, and that's it. Any other time, it's no good. Right? Put in your car, it's good. Right? Put in your lungs, no good. Right? Got a little river. It's got sweep to it. Look at it. It's going, man. That's flowing hard. Fuck. America, you got a haarp device. It must be you. I'm pointing the finger to you. What you gonna do when our country runs out of excuses for what the weather's doing, what it's doing? You're gonna say, oh, it's fucking America. They got the haarp device. And they're fucking screwing us up the bum. Fuck. Let's go surfing now. Somebody tell me how the fuck we're gonna survive this shit. What do you reckon? You didn't notice anything. Hey, you're already in the water. Get out of the water! Get out of the water! Stop!